step aside modern music because 80s video game soundtracks still pack more punch than many of today's flashy scores. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your tech and gaming hub. From the heroic fanfare of The Legend of Zelda to the stages of Mega Man 2, the NES era proved that limited hardware couldn't stop composers from creating unforgettable music that still defines gaming today. Koji Kondo's Zelda scores set the gold standard with overworld themes and eerie dungeon tunes that turned a simple 8-bit adventure into an epic quest. Mega Man 2 followed with Takashi Tatishi's adrenaline-charged robot master melodies. Each stage came with a mini-musical masterpiece building up to the climactic Wily Castle showdown. On the handheld front, Super Mario took Game Boy's tiny speakers to their limits, giving you a mix of bouncy tunes and Middle Eastern-inspired tracks that felt fresh and inventive for the series. Even licensed games like DuckTales brought Scrooge McDuck's globe-trotting escapades to life with Hiroshi Tonomura's playful and atmospheric NES soundtrack, while Castlevania 3, Dracula's Curse pushed the console's sound chip to the limit, offering a dark and gothic tune that can beat any modern horror game. These soundtracks weren't just background noise, they are how we remember the games now. Before orchestras and techno beats, these pixel-powered compositions showed a few beat boops were enough to spark adventure, tension, and joy that last decades. In the battle of old vs new, the 80s still win over many big budget releases. Which one is the most nostalgic for you? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Survival games aren't just about dodging death, they're about how you do it. They're a battle of your nerves. Welcome back to GadInsider, your tech and gaming hub. Here are the games that push you to the edge and keep you coming back for more. Ark Survival Evolved throws you into a mysterious island in your underwear and then unleashes dinosaurs. From hunting and gathering to taming raptors and building massive fortresses, Ark is one of the wildest survival sandboxes out there. Want to ride a T-Rex into battle? This is your game. Then Sons of the Forest is a masterclass in tension. A spiritual and literal successor to The Forest emerges terrifying horror with creative building. The AI companions like Kelvin add a strategic layer as you explore the island's sinister secrets and hope you're not being watched. 7 Days to Die blends survival, crafting, and zombie horror into one highly addictive experience. With 7 in-game days to prep before a deadly horde arrives, every minute counts. It's like Minecraft meeting The Walking Dead and decided to raise the stakes. Don't Starve is as charming as it is ruthless. Its Tim Burton art style hides a deeply punishing wild space filled with monsters, madness, and mystery. Learn fast or die faster. And at last, there's Pacific Drive, the genre's strangest twist yet. It's just you in your car driving through a haunted American wasteland. Your garage is your base, your car is your lifeline, and every trip into the unknown is a fight for survival. Each game rewrites the rules of survival, and not all of them play fair, and that's the fun of it. The question remains, can you survive them? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech and gaming update. Before Mario became the face of Nintendo, the company churned out a string of quirky, forgotten arcade hits that almost vanished into gaming history. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the tech news. From bug-spraying apes to balloon-bopping battles, these pre-Mario classics showcase the wild, experimental side of Nintendo long before plumbers and power-ups ruled the world. Take Donkey Kong 3, where Hero Stanley replaced Mario and battled both Donkey Kong and swarms of insects. It's a bold twist that left fans cold. Balloon Fight had players floating across platforms, popping rivals' balloons and dodging leaping fish with a chaotic multiplayer twist but a little lasting fame. Devil World courted controversy with its hellish mazes and demon-themed gameplay, for which it got banned too, but that kept it hidden until 2023. Meanwhile, Kung Fu put gamers in martial arts action climbing a pagoda, but the title quickly felt dated after Mario's revolutionary debut. And Ice Climber with its duo of parka-clad climbers battling beasts up icy mountains faded despite landing in Super Smash Bros. Years later. These forgotten gems are Nintendo's creative risks before the industry was dominated by its iconic Mario. While some mechanics and characters might show up in modern titles, the original adventures are collectible of the lost arcade era, waiting for gamers curious enough to dig into the company's pre-Mario catalog. For true Nintendo fans, these games offer a glimpse at the quirky experimentation that laid the groundwork for the gaming empire we know today. Which titles have you already heard of? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. Lara Croft is ready to raid the tomb again, and she's swinging into action like never before. Hello GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech and gaming news. The Game Awards 2025 just dropped a double bomb for Tomb Raider fans: Tomb Raider, Catalyst, and Tomb Raider, Legacy of Atlantis. Catalyst reintroduces Lara in a look closer to her iconic classic style, ditching some of the 2013 reboot vibes and bringing jaw-dropping gameplay to the table with new wrist-mounted grappling hooks that make Lara almost Spider-Man, letting players scale walls, swing, and tackle tombs ups and downs. Catalyst says it's filled with hidden secrets, complex puzzles, and ancient mysteries. The story isn't just about exploration, it dives into trust, betrayal, and the emotional challenges that push Lara to her limits, as combining heart-pounding action with brilliant storytelling. Meanwhile, Tomb Raider, Legacy of Atlantis brings a fresh take on the original game, modernizing classic moments while expanding the story for longtime fans. Crystal Dynamics teamed up with Amazon Game Studios to ensure this isn't just a remaster, it's a reimagination that honors the series' roots while taking the adventure genre forward. Crystal Dynamics' Scott Amos said, "Our collaboration with Amazon Game Studios has been truly transformative. Catalyst is our most ambitious Tomb Raider yet, and Legacy of Atlantis lets us revisit where it all began through a modern lens." So mark your calendars, Legacy of Atlantis launches in 2026, followed by Catalyst in 2027. Both games will hit PlayStation 5, Xbox Series, and Steam. Tomb Raider is bigger and bolder, and Lara Croft is back, and she's not holding anything back. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates. Hold onto your spellbooks because Dungeons & Dragons is stepping into a bold new era, and it's doing it without dice. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the latest tech and gaming news. Wizards of the Coast and Invoke Studios have unveiled Warlock, Dungeons & Dragons, a third-person, single-player action adventure that was officially revealed at the Game Awards 2025. This isn't a quiet spin-off, it's a full-blown reinvention of how DD can feel in a video game. Players step into the boots of Khatri, a hardened warrior who does what every classic warlock does best, makes a dangerous pact for otherworldly power. The game showcases dark magic, shadowy enemies, and high-stakes choices as Khatri battles sinister forces threatening the world. Despite its deep roots in DD lore, the developers are saying this game stands on its own. There's no dice rolling, no overwhelming lore dumps, and no requirement to know your beholders from your Baldur's Gate. Warlock is designed to welcome newcomers while rewarding longtime fans with clever cameos and hidden Easter eggs. Invoke Studios is focused on building an immersive, cinematic world that feels more like an adventure than a traditional tabletop adaptation, and to bring Khatri to life, the studio enlisted Trisha Helfer, the award-winning actress known for Battlestar Galactica and Lucifer, delivering full performance capture for maximum realism. A teaser trailer is already fueling the hype, but fans will need patience. Warlock Dungeons & Dragons isn't expected to launch until 2027, making this one worth waiting for. Are you a DD fan? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.